So Waze just got a major upgrade with 6 powerful AI-driven features that are changing how we drive, report hazards, and plan routes in real time. From the new conversational reporting that lets you speak naturally to report incidents, to smarter camera awareness, improved audio controls, offline-like routing improvements, EV-friendly planning, and navigation settings that keep you on safer roads, Waze is becoming more intelligent than ever. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in to see what these new features actually bring and how to use them step by step. Let's start with the first feature, and honestly, the most anticipated one: new speed camera categories and enforcement camera types. Waze is now making it easier to understand exactly what kind of camera is ahead, instead of just giving you a generic warning. To find this, go into Settings, then open Alerts and Reports and tap Reports. Once you're there, look for the Speed Camera category. You'll notice new icons that represent different types of enforcement cameras, like speed cameras, red light cameras, stop sign cameras, mobile speed cameras, and more. This is a big deal because it makes the warning system clearer and it helps drivers understand what to expect on the road without guessing. In many regions, these camera type details will be visible, but availability can vary depending on local rules. Next up is feature number 2, Conversational Reporting, the AI voice reporting upgrade. This one is all about safety and reducing distracted driving. Waze has had reporting tools forever, but the problem was always the same. You had to tap the screen and navigate menus while driving. Now, with conversational reporting, you can simply speak naturally. Instead of tapping Report, choosing a category, and selecting details, you can say something like, "Report an accident at my location," or "There's road construction ahead." The app listens, understands what you mean, and logs it automatically. No screen interaction needed. And the best part is that it doesn't just record what you say. It intelligently categorizes it and shares it with other drivers in the area. That means the community data becomes faster, cleaner, and more useful because reporting becomes effortless. Moving on to the third feature, voice personalization, including recording your own voice for navigation. This is one of the most fun upgrades, and it's surprisingly useful too. In Settings, go to Voice and Sound, and you'll see the option to record your own voice. Once you enable it, Waze asks for microphone access, and then you can record a full set of navigation instructions so your voice plays inside the app instead of a default voice. You can keep it for yourself or share it with other Wazers, which turns Waze into something more personal, almost like your GPS speaks in a voice you actually enjoy hearing. And since driving directions repeat constantly, having a voice that feels familiar can make the experience smoother. Now let's talk about feature number 4, a bigger and more playful voice library, plus expanded audio controls. Still inside Voice and Sound, Waze now includes many more voice options, including theme voices that feel more like character voices than standard GPS narrators. The menu is larger than before, and you'll notice more variety. One thing to keep in mind, in many cases, you still can't preview the voice before selecting it, meaning when you tap a voice, it applies instantly. So if you're experimenting, be ready to switch back if you don't like what you chose. But combined with the ability to record your own voice, Waze gives you more audio flexibility than most navigation apps. Next up is feature number 5, the new audio player integration, music and navigation in one place. This is a convenience upgrade that a lot of people will feel instantly. Go into Settings, scroll down, and you'll find Audio Player. This lets you link music, audiobook, and radio apps directly inside Waze, so you can control playback while navigating without constantly switching apps. Waze supports multiple platforms depending on what's installed on your phone, and once you connect one, you'll get a quick access button while driving. That means you can keep your route visible while managing music in a clean way, and it makes Waze feel less like just GPS and more like a driving dashboard. Now let's get to feature number 6, smarter routing options, including avoiding rough roads, planning stops, and EV-friendly navigation. Waze is adding more control over the kind of roads you end up on, which is a bigger deal than it sounds. In Settings, under Navigation, you can enable options like avoiding unpaved roads, which helps prevent the app from sending you into dirt paths, tiny side roads, or routes that feel unsafe or unrealistic, especially in rural areas or unfamiliar cities. Waze also makes it easier to add a stop mid-route, so if you're already driving and need to add a supermarket, parking, or another location, you can do it without restarting the trip. And for electric vehicle drivers, Waze is getting better at showing charging stations and letting you filter by plug type or charging preferences, depending on what's supported in your region. The goal here is simple: less stress, fewer bad surprises, and a route that feels more reliable. So, there you have it. 6 intelligent upgrades that show Waze is no longer just a community navigation app. It's evolving into a smarter driving companion that helps you report hazards safely, understand enforcement alerts more clearly, personalize your experience, integrate audio seamlessly, and take more control over how and where you drive. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI and tech updates, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.